Alright, today we're going to be replacing a PCV valve. This is on a 14 Hyundai Elantra GT. It's a 2-liter engine, of course. So we got here the new PCV valve. Picked that up on Amazon. $6.50. Just pop off your cover. Set that aside. You're going to need a 21mm socket, a wrench of some sort to pull off hose clamp. Excuse me. Oops. So your PVC valve is right here. So first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna pull this thing off, the clamp off. Then the hose. Actually, maybe get the hose clamp off might help. And you pull the hose off. Boom. 21mm socket. It's cold out. Fingers aren't working quite as well, so there we go. Spin that bad boy right out. Looks pretty gunky. Hopefully that's my problem. Has some increased oil consumption. So this is the cheapest and easiest fix. So this is just a try for me. Tighten her up. Don't to get too tight. It has that the oil ring seal on there, that O-ring. Stick your clamp back on, your hose back on, and your clamp. It'd be easier if I actually had a real wrench instead of these pliers, but you know, just have whatever I see on my bench and I just use that because I'm too lazy to actually get the right tool. Boom. Replace your oil engine cover and you are good to go. Hope this helps.